Next, you're going to want to connect your website domain, and here we have a quick little tooltip for you to connect your domain. Typically, it would be a great idea since you cannot connect your main domain, meaning your business, your company.com. Otherwise, if you did that, then basically the leads or people who try to visit your website wouldn't know which door to open. And it ends up conflicting in that it's not possible to do it that way, just with the way that it flows. So instead, for the funnels that we have for the quoting and leads, everything that you build out in here to for the focus of sales, you want to put something that is a little bit more general, but still makes sense to the end user. So typically, what we say is, offers.yourcompany.com is a great starting point. So let's go ahead and click in and connect that site now. So if you cannot click on it here, it should pull up in a second. You can click connect the domain. And here for this example, we're going to go ahead and do offers.sellconvertclean.com. We're going to click continue. And again, if you already connected to Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or a few other providers, it should do it automatically for you by recognizing where it's located. Otherwise, what you can do is add that record manually and hand this over to your web person who takes care of that for you. So they can put in the CNAME with the actual name that they're going to be adding for that record, as well as that value sites.ludicrous.cloud. Once you click verify, it should take a moment to kind of sit in the world here as pending or waiting to be tested. And you'll have to go back in later, most likely, once the record is put in, so that you can actually verify it properly. Because if it's not in there yet, then it will kick back an error. And so you'll see here it didn't pull in. So it's just a matter of coming back in and doing this step once we've delivered the records to your web provider if you're not doing it yourself automatically. And so you can click in verify and it'll say good to go, and it'll ask you for the next steps of where you'd like to connect that to. So let me run through real quick through the automated portion and just give you a quick little teaser on what that might look like. And you'll see here for my pop-up, we'll go ahead and authorize that domain. And here it'll ask you to log in. And everything should flow pretty naturally to have it pulled in. It'll ask and authorize. All you have to do is click authorize, as long as it's not changing or replacing anything. If you have something currently used, you can only use it in one place. So just be very careful if there's any prompts that say, would you like to remove this one, this record in place of the other? So making sure that the domain is unique for this will help out significantly. So here it will go ahead and work through automatically and authorize, and it should connect automatically here in just a moment. And now that it's working, what we want to do is go ahead and link it to one just to make it super easy. So what we're going to have is offers.yourcompany.com, and we can link that directly to the quoting funnel. And let's just say that we hit it on the home page, which is the main landing page for our quotes. If you want, you can also redirect any errors with the page that somebody tries to submit back to the quoting funnel home if you'd like to make it a more streamlined user experience. You can click proceed to finish, and it will automatically get that tied in and connected for you. And now it is ready to go.